Hey, it's Laura. I'm going to tell you a little bit about each of the 8 major sections of this course. Section 1 covers the why and how of habits, as well as how they are formed in the brain. Section 2 is a thorough look at the purpose of motivation in our lives and how we should use it. In the motivation in action example, you'll see me as I try to get and stay motivated to write a book. Section 3 explores willpower's role in habit formation and why it's the crux. The willpower in action example follows me throughout a typical day to see how my willpower is impacted by various events. At key points, we may pause the video to discuss the science involved. Section 4 highlights the core strategy of mini habits. It rests on the foundation of the prior 3 sections and will show why this is a smart strategy backed by science. Here you'll see a visual demonstration of why and how mini habits are more effective than the typical strategies we use. Section 5 is all about application. Through video, audio, and written instructions, we'll show you exactly how to apply the critical information we've learned and incorporate mini habits into your life. Section 6 lists 8 rules to ensure you stay on track and your changes last. Follow these and you'll be well on your way to forming healthy new habits. The first 6 sections were about good habits, but Section 7 explains how to use the mini habits philosophy to shrink or eliminate your bad habits. Section 8 is the final section of the course, and it wraps everything up quite nicely. It contains modifications you can experiment with and a few final words of wisdom to set you off on your exciting new mini habits journey. And that about sums up mini habit mastery. Now let's go find out what a mini habit is.